How to hide and unhide contacts on Messenger using Android phone. Here's how. Open the Messenger app. At the top of the chat screen, just above your conversations, you'll see your contact profile icons next to the Create Story option. Touch and hold the profile icon of the contact you want to hide until a menu appears. From the menu, tap Hide Contact. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Hide Contact again to confirm your choice. The contact will now be hidden from the Contacts section. If you want to view or unhide your hidden contacts later, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the Settings icon in the top right corner to open Messenger settings. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Safety. Then tap Hidden Contacts to see all the contacts you've hidden. To restore a contact, tap the contact you want to unhide, then tap Unhide Contact. That's it. You've successfully hidden or unhidden contacts on Messenger. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.